Hello and welcome to a super quick little video featuring our Kyosho RS-200 and the fantastic FixIts sticks that we keep in our toolbox at all times. Now, as many of you will have seen in our previous episodes with this model, when we initially got it, it was filthy. It was completely neglected, the body was ready for the bin, and we have brought it back to its former glory, respraying it in its traditional RS-200 colours. One thing you will have noticed from the restoration, however, is that the front bumper was snapped off when we first got it, which is a real shame, and this is one part we have not yet been able to find. As we haven't been able to find one, we are going to make our own one in 5 minutes with this miracle material here, the FixIt sticks. Now, as mentioned, these are something that we've got in every one of our toolboxes, and we even take a few of them on holiday with us just because they're so useful to have. So, for example, when we took our Savage X 4.6 on holiday abroad and lost all of our spare wheel nuts, we actually made a wheel nut with this material and it lasted forever, even after we got back home. It's super tough, it dries hard, you can make roll cages with it or stand on it, and when you're done, you can just warm it up and reshape it in seconds. We've even made hexes out of it for our Tamiya monster beetle, which are still holding up well. So let's make a bumper. Now, all you need to do is drop the sticks in some warm to hot water. It doesn't need to be boiling hot, and just leave it there to soften up. And whilst that softens, we can remove the remaining bit of the bumper. And as you can see, in no time at all, it's just become malleable and super easy to form with your fingers. But I think we might need a bit more for this. And as you can see, they come in these nice, neat, flat sticks, which is good. You can either keep the colours separate, or you can mix them up if you don't mind what the end colour will be. And look at that, it's almost like a really thick paste, which is really easy to work with and holds its shape. And with that done, you can simply start forming it and shaping it into literally whatever you want. And you can also rewarm parts of it and rework it. What we're doing here is using the original bit of the bumper just as a template to work around and make sure that the fixing part of this bumper is correct. But that didn't quite work, as you can see, so we'll reheat it and reform it manually. Also, the great thing about this is that you can almost print into it, so it will take a texture if you want to add one, or if you want to stamp something into it. That also means you can push it into something and the dimples or holes in our case will print onto it, and we can now see where to make our holes for the screws. Again, as you saw with our wheel nut, you can even thread it or drill it or saw and cut it, so it's a really versatile material. And you can just see there, we've screwed straight into it. And with a bit of adjustment, that's it, a brand new super tough bumper. And obviously, I'm not the best with arts and crafts, and I'm sure you could do a much better job of shaping this than we've done here, but you could crash this at full speed now and it would be fine, and protect the front of the car and the wheels and the arms. And of course, the more material you use, the stronger the part will be. But there you go, an essential part of any toolkit. So do go check out the FixIts sticks and their team, because they're a pretty cool little company. But that's it. I hope you've enjoyed seeing us using this awesome FixIt material and pretty much finishing off the Kyosho RS-200 with our very own bumper. And do watch out for some of the running videos coming soon. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you soon.